Hello everyone, my name is Bắp. Today I'm talking about sound. This is Harry right sound. Now let's start with me. Lazy. Do you lazy?
Are you lazy?
Are you lazy?
No, I'm not. Are you lazy? Yes? Or no?
No.
Okay, keep moving on.
Zombie. Are you scared of zombie?
Yes, I am. What about you? Are you scared of zombies? Are you scared of zombies?
Yes, I do.
I am.
Yes, I am.
Okay. Hurry up.
Fuzzy.
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 How do you feel when you touch something fuzzy?
I feel happy.
Okay, keep moving on.
Pizza. Do you like eating pizza?
Yes, I am.
What is your favorite pizza?
I like shrimp pizza.
Daisy.
Dizzy.
Dizzy.
Do you feel dizzy?
No, I didn't. I didn't feel dizzy.
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 Okay. When do you feel dizzy? When?
I don't know.
Everything spins around you? Okay, keep moving on. Keep moving on, hurry up.
Lazy.
Already. Lazy already. What is it? Okay. Next.
Zebra. What do we find zebra?
You can see zebra in the forest.
Zigzag. Can you draw zigzag?
Yes, I can.
Can you draw it?
No, okay, keep moving. Hurry up. Next.
Zebra. What do we find zebra?
Where can we find?
Where can we find zebras?
We can find zebras on jackets, bags, and pencil case. Okay.
Zero.
Okay.
What is your phone number, Mom?
My phone number is 0382699346. Okay.
Zoo.
What animals can you see in the zoo?
I can see zebra, elephant, tiger, lion, alligator, and kangaroos, and Rabbit.
Okay, keep move on. Next.
This sides.
No. Keep on. Where?
Jazz.
Hurry up.
Do you like to listen and jazz?
Listen to jazz.
To jazz?
Yes, I like. I do. Keep move on.
Sneeze.
Good. Sneeze.
Sneeze.
Okay, keep move on. How to kill sneeze?
I don't remember.
You should cover the nose with the arms,
Yes, we do.
or you can use tissue.
Tissue?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Keep move on.
Freeze.
At what temperature the water freeze? Water freezes.
0
Degree.
degree 0.
0 degrees Celsius.
0 degrees Celsius.
Okay. Keep move on.
Quiz.
Double Z.
Quiz.
Go.
Quiz.
Okay. Do you like taking quizzes?
Yes, I do.
Okay, next.
Can you draw your phone numbers?
No.
This one?
Next. Hurry up. What is it?
Size.
What is it?
Your phone numbers.
Okay. Keep on. Size.
Size.
Okay. What is your size of your t-shirt?
My t-shirt.
Small or big size?
I remember I just big.
Okay.
Goodbye. See you next time. Goodbye.